Hi there. In this session I would like to tell you what is WordPress.org. See, if you want to learn about WordPress, then you need to know about WordPress.org, because WordPress.org provides plenty of themes, plugins, and WordPress updated software for free of cost. That we discuss about that WordPress.org. So come to browser and open WordPress.org. There you can see WordPress.org website. This is the official website. We can find plenty options for WordPress. So here in this website you can find out the about themes. There you can find some demo themes. These are nothing but demo themes. They are not the paid themes and they are not the free themes. Demo themes having some few functionalities. Only by using those few functionalities you can design and develop your WordPress website by using these demo themes. And here you can see there you will find some plugins. These plugins also having demo plugins. So what does mean by demo plugins? See here in this WordPress.org, there you will find free themes and the plugins. Okay, so by using these free themes and plugins you can easily design your WordPress website. What does mean by free? Okay, so these WordPress themes are developed in PHP and MySQL languages. So MySQL language is nothing but database, and PHP is nothing but server-side language. So plenty of developers is developing their WordPress themes. For demo purpose they are providing free themes and they are hosting those themes at WordPress.org only. So there you can find out plenty of themes at WordPress.org. And not only for themes, WordPress.org is the official WordPress themes website. Okay, themes website. From here you can also download WordPress software. So here you need to know about WordPress software and WordPress themes and WordPress plugins. Okay, so these are the main ingredients to build a WordPress website. Without having this knowledge you can't able to design one WordPress website. So you need to learn about these things. For example, come to this WordPress.org, come to the main page. So WordPress.org, see here you can find out the get WordPress. By clicking on that you can get WordPress open source software. This is very absolutely free of cost. By downloading this software you can use WordPress websites. If you want to design one website by using WordPress themes, just click on these themes. There you will find out plenty of themes are there. See for example here you can see 2020, 2019, 2017 themes are there. They are nothing but default WordPress themes they provided by WordPress.org. For example, click on that, then you will find the name of the theme and you will find about developers website. WordPress.org or the developers, they developed this 2020 WordPress theme. By using this theme also you can customize or you can design your WordPress website. For example, come to the theme section. There you may also get some other themes having like this. See here you can find out some Ocean WP theme is there. If you click on that information you will see the theme name is Ocean WP and developed by Ocean WP website. If you click on that open new tab in this one, you will redirect into their official website. Click on theme homepage, you will see redirect into Ocean WP org. This is the theme which is provided by Ocean WP developers. This is only the demo version. From here in this theme you couldn't find complete functions. If you need complete functions, what you need to do is just go to Ocean WP and there you need to download some paid versions. Okay, for that you need to purchase those themes. After purchasing that theme, you will get plenty of options. Whatever options that theme having, all the functionalities you will get from that theme. Not only these Ocean WP theme, here you can find out plenty of themes are there. All the themes are demo versions available for free of cost. By using limited functionalities, you can also make one website. In this course, I will show you how to design complete website by using free theme. So these are nothing but popular themes in wordpress.org. These themes are available, popular themes are available. Around 3921 themes are available, and every developer daily developing plenty of website by using PHP and MySQL languages. They are developing plenty of websites, so that those websites are available from here. Latest themes, and see here you can see latest themes. These latest themes are having 7736 themes are there. By using these themes, you may also customize any website, but remember, latest themes may not have good reviews. Then you may get some spams, or you may get some errors to while you are designing your website. See, you couldn't find any ratings, even you couldn't find any reviews or installers for this theme. So beware of latest themes, and be remember, if you want to design one website by using free themes, please refer popular themes only, because those popular themes are having some reviews, are having some active installers. So here you can see having active installers around 6 lakhs plus members are there, and even ratings are having 3000 plus ratings are there. So that this is most popular WordPress free theme. You can easily customize your theme, your website. You can design your free website. So in this session you will learn everything about WordPress theme customization. Even you will learn about WordPress and WordPress theme options, and you will learn about WordPress plugins. So please subscribe with my course, and please learn this course for further web designing concepts. Thank you.